So welcome back to the channel. Now to those of you that are yet to subscribe to this channel, be it you are new and you have not yet subscribed, guys, make sure you do it to click on the subscribe button. Make sure you like, make sure you share, make sure you make your comments, and also guys, make sure you follow the Telegram channel so you will not miss out on any single update we are going to be posting for you guys. You will find the link to the Telegram channel in the comment section. So follow our Telegram channel to stay updated. And also like this video, share, and make your comments. Now let's take a look at what we are going to be expecting for the week on our Euro GBP. So we need to start with our trend, right? We need to go to the higher time frame to understand what Euro GBP, what Euro GBP will be giving us for the week. Now, take a look at this Euro. So this is a market trending to the downside, right? This is on our weekly time frame, by the way. So this is our first low the market did give us on Euro GBP. Then we had lower high. After the lower high, market was able to drop again to give us a new lower low, and this is the lower high. Now that we've gotten this lower high, our next movement on Euro GBP will be a lower low. So guys, our next movement on Euro GBP is going to be a lower low. So guys, whatever you would want to be doing on your Euro GBP for this week, you would want to be looking for your sell setup. So Euro GBP should be giving us a bearish move this week. So this is the lower high the market has just finished playing. Our next movement right now on Euro GBP will be a lower low. Now let's go down to our daily time frame. Now, what can you see, right? You can see that markets literally open and close bearish for the day. We will come to look at it very soon. Now, this is a key level right here, which we just highlighted. So first, we had a reaction at this level. We once had a reaction at this level. No, but before that, market has been trending to the downside. You can clearly see it on your daily time frame. There is a series of lower low and a lower high. Once a lower low plays out, a lower high will follow, then a lower low, then a lower high will follow, then a lower low, and then a lower high will follow, right? Now, market was able to now give us this lower high right here, right? Which made market to drop a little bit. The market push up again, right? Broke above it a little bit before market drop, right? Which is a lower low, right? Thereby forming a lower low, new lower low for us. Now, this is the lower high the market has eventually got to play out right now. So this is the lower high. It did not take out this previous lower high right here. If it has taken out this previous lower high, it will be seen as a change of character. But since it does not do that, so this is now seen as a lower high. Our next movement on Euro GBP will be a drop that should form a new lower low. So a bearish move is still what we are going to be expecting on our Euro GBP. But first, for that, take a look at this level right here. There is a rejection at this one right here. So this is our first rejection here. This is also our second rejection. Now this is our third rejection. So we will be expecting Euro GBP to reject from here and drop. So guys, a bearish move is what we are going to be expecting next. So this week, be looking for your sell on Euro GBP. Now let's go down to the 4-hour time frame. Now take a look at it right here, your 4-hour time frame. So let's remove all this. What can you see right here? Market has given us this double top right here. You can see a double top pattern. So basically, if double top, you see a double top pattern, that means it is a reversal movement, which market did give us. Then market was able to drop, and here is the pullback phase of. Market will now be able to give us some more drop, and this is a pullback phase that market is currently playing right now. So once market plays this lower high finish, our next movement on Euro GBP will be another drop. So guys, another bearish move is what we are going to be expecting for the week. So we would expect EURGBP to drop further down. More updates on this will be covered for you guys. So you just need to just click on the subscribe button, like, share, make your comments, and also follow the Telegram channel so you don't miss out on any single updates. The link to the Telegram will be in the comment section.